Okay, got my handy dandy teapot here. I love my electric tea kettle. Thank you, England, for developing these, if that's where they came from. All I do is I fill up my jug with a little bit of water, put in a family-sized tea bag. Now, if you want flavored tea, just get flavored tea bags and put it in here. Now, if you want sweet tea, just go ahead and put your sugar in with your hot water and it will dissolve the sugar for your sweet tea, and then you will have it in there. Now, if you want sugar-free tea, you can use Splenda or whatever sugar alternative that you want also in there. We need your help reaching 20,000 subscribers. Would you guys please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we have more money-saving recipes come out. Then we're just gonna stir to get that sugar dissolved and let it sit for a few minutes, and then we're gonna fill it with water and come back and fill our jugs. Okay, now this is sat 5 minutes. Let the tea steep. You can take the tea bags out if you want. It doesn't matter. Sometimes I just leave them in just because I forget. Then we're gonna fill it with cold water. Now, if you need to get it cold really fast, you can fill the rest with ice if you need to. Now, normally I just put this in the fridge and Mike just pours it out of here, but this is what my grandparents did. They refilled their containers for the soda, or the bottles for the soda, and then they stored them in the fridge. Then when they needed a quick drink to grab and go, you can do this with water too. I mean, we store water bottles in the fridge. Wow, I'm not pouring very well. I should be doing this over the sink. Then just put the lids on, just like so. Grandpa stored them in the fridge like that. He would just have 6 or 8 lined up all the time waiting to go. You can do it with water also. And that is how you make convenient homemade iced tea for about probably 15-20 cents.